welcome back to my YouTube channel, which is Coding Station. So in today's video, we're going to talk about what is tuples and if and else statement. So in my previous video, we did talk about what is string, booleans and lists. So if you are a coder, you must know lists and tuples are the one and the most same thing. But it's a bit confusing when to use tuples or when to use a list. So I am here to help you guys, and also I am following a book called Coding for Python in Kids. It is written by Tuppy, which is very much knowledgeable and all about Python. So I would encourage all of the children and all of the kids to actually read that book. Thank you so much, and let's begin with the video. So we have already met in the intro video, but now I'm going to make you understand what this video that I've just shown you, what this mean is. So basically, we have seen tons of codes and things, but this is a bit different. Why? Because we have a property, or you can say we have a different block, a line of code which we do not know, which is elif and if statements. If and else statements, I told you that we're going to do it, but I didn't make you understand what this means. But now I'm going to make you understand what this actually means. This property, this code, why is it in the coding language, or why is it made as a tag in Python? Why? So let me give you a situation. So I am here talking about, I am tired and I'll just lose my alarm and won't, wake up in the morning for school. But over here, the second personality of me is saying, I am well rested. Like, this is a 6-second situation that I may have. Like, let's imagine that I am in a wedding, and I could not sleep well, so I may be tired, so I will snooze my alarm. But I may sleep in the wedding. I may sleep. I have a second chance. I have durability of doing something else other than that. So I can say that if my line of code is true over here, so ठीक है. But if I say this is not right and this is not right, so what to do now? This is an error. But I have two options in a line of code. Let me make you understand. Like, I am trying to say that I have this line of code which is telling you that this is one option, this is another option. So if this is not right, this has to be right. Or if this is not right, this has to be right. So the computer can choose on its own what is right. And if you want to make something right and make that tag work, what do you have to do? You have to write the if and elif statement. So if, let me make you a code which I just wrote, which it was, if I wake up in the morning, I will go to the school. Elif, I'll go to school. I am not well rested, I won't wake up and go to school. These are the two ways that I can use my line of code or these tags in real life or in coding. And basically, in higher, if you're done with Python, you're great, you're a coder now, and you know Python very well. You'll be using these statements a lot, because if you're telling a computer a command and you're saying, what, computer, do this. Or if you cannot do this instead. If you cannot do this instead. Or if you're trying to amplify something or do something, if you're not able to do this instead. These are these are like options for computer. These are two different options for the computer to ever imagine. So this is what the elif and if statement actually means. This is what it means. And I have also written the code for you for an example. So I hope you understand what I'm trying to convey from this video, and if you like this, please like, share, comment, subscribe, hit the bell icon, I guess. This is Code Station signing off.